Hi, I'm TK Devine.
Good to see you.
And this is Devine Diaries, Travelographer edition. Random and unplanned episodes where my intentional lifestyle brings me to odd corners of the globe and brings you along for the ride. Join me for life hack tips and to learn what things to do and not to do as we explore the world's lesser-known attractions. I am TK Devine, and this is Devine Diaries, Travelographer edition.
But I can't take it with me.
They call this Abbey Country, Arches National Park, home of the late Edward Abbey, one of the greatest naturalist writers of all time and one of my favorites. I drove here through the night, taking a few-hour nap at a truck stop, which was really gross, so I could come here and catch sunrise at Delicate Arch. This here splendor to the wonder of Mother Nature attracts morons of all kinds, all types and backgrounds, to risk their lives on various cliff sides and the lives of their families, like this guy here. He's the dad, the leader, so they can get pictures in front of this wonderful arch. Everyone got a picture, except for me. I just took pictures of other people taking pictures because I like to judge people. That's what I do. Arches National Park, not too shabby. This park has petroglyphs. It has its own waterways. It has dwellings from past residents. Arches National Park has a little bit of everything. It's got the wonder of geology and the beauty of landscape. It's got clean air, and it inspires visitors to think nothing but the most profound of thoughts. Man, this place has a lot of arches. Well, it's been a long trip, but at least we've kept our good humor. Rumor has it they were originally thinking of calling this Sharktooth Pass National Park, but settled on Arches because of the plethora of arches. The guy who proposed Sharktooth was soon relieved of his duties. I don't know if that's true, but it sounds good. So I may be a couple years too old to qualify for the Junior Ranger program, but at least I can appreciate the park and all its funky details here through the screen and share what I've learned with you and a captive audience. A lot of people are aware that these arches were formed many thousands of years ago due to erosion and other geological happenings. But what people don't know is that these arches are also living organisms. They've got brains and human blood and wear cut-off jeans in the summer. What? No? I'm never gonna be a ranger, am I? Sucks. Seriously though, gems like balanced rock and the landscape in general really make Arches National Park, right off the bat, one of my favorites. I gotta come back here. I mean, heck, they even let me keep the porta-home in the parking lot. So I left this here in the dark so I could catch Delicate Arch by sunrise. And it's still here, and everything's fine.